Before you begin, be sure your truck is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter for the 2.5-liter 2022 Ford Maverick Hybrid is very easy to replace and can be done in less than 5 minutes, and no tools are required. To remove the old filter, you can locate the main filter box at the front driver's side of the engine bay just behind the radiator. To open, simply pop the 2 clips located at the front of the box. The box is secured at the rear by 2 tightly fitted tabs that can slide out by working the box forward and away. Once the tabs are clear, you can lift the box upward enough to pull the air filter element out of the box. To replace the air filter, just reverse the order of removal, taking care to make sure that you seated the filter and that the edges aren't pinched in any way. Work the 2 tabs to the rear of the box into their proper locations, and then secure the 2 front latches and ensure tight fit before driving.